Hello, I'm Chad Hudspeth with EndlessFoodSystems.com. We manufacture ready-to-go, out-of-the-box aquaponic kits. In a world now tainted with GMO, pesticides, and chemicals, it just makes sense to grow your own food in your backyard. With our aquaponic kits, we give you the ability to do that. How good would it feel to know that your food source is coming from your own backyard, completely chemical-free? Not to mention a huge reduction in your grocery bill or the elimination of it. It's not rocket science that eating fresh, organic food is the pathway to health, but the problem's always been how to do this. That's where these easy-to-operate kits come into play. With an endless food system, you can now grow most or all of your family's food right at home. And the best part is you can grow heirloom plants that are not genetically modified in any way and without using any pesticides. People often think that you have to have meat for protein. And while fish are a big part of these systems, according to the USDA, many vegetables and beans contain 22 to 28% protein as well. Our kits ship to you complete. There's no cutting, no drilling, no special tools of any kind. You can grow a lot of different types of fish. In here we have tilapia, but you could grow trout or catfish depending on your climate. What's going on here is the fish do their thing in the water. That water flows into these clay beds. This is a clay pebble. And then the water flows from these clay pebble beds down into this raft. And this is a piece of styrofoam that the plants float on top of the water. As you can see, this actually comes up and the roots of the plant fit down into the water. So the water flows from the clay bed through the rafts and then by gravity back into a sump tank down here where it's pumped back again into the fish tank. And the cycle just continues forever. This is a romaine lettuce. It's about 2 to 3 weeks old. This is red sales lettuce, another variety. This is probably 3 weeks old as well. Back here we've got chives. It's great once these chives get a little bigger. You just hold them over and take a pair of scissors and cut them off. Got chives for your baked potato or whatever. Aquaponics can be scaled to any size, from a very small 6-foot by 6-foot system up to feeding an entire community. Now this system right here is 12 feet by 16 feet, and it would feed about 3 to 4 people perpetually if it's managed very well. You can also grow indoors. This apparently is outside in a greenhouse, but you can grow in a basement or a spare bedroom, but you would need some sort of lighting for that. These systems use about 90% less water than a conventional garden. Not to mention, they're going to produce generally about 10 times more per square foot than a conventional garden, and also do it in less time. Elevated grow beds make it easy to plant and harvest without back strain. There's no soil diseases or pests. Battery system so that you can power your entire system off the grid. It's our goal to not only provide a way for you to become food independent, but for the knowledge of these types of systems to be shared around the world. It's only then that world hunger could be abolished forever. This is the answer to world hunger. Become a part of the solution and join the aquaponics revolution. Order a kit today and become food self-sufficient.